Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we have a double unboxing from CosyIsland. Yes, you already have seen me wearing shoes from the brand and how much I was enjoying my winter boots and winter shoes. And now I have this double unboxing for spring season. CosyIsland has the most gorgeous designs where your comfort is never compromised. That's why I'm sticking to the brand. I love their shoes so much. They have like really trendy shoes. They have classic shoes. They have everything that you need, especially those find heels a little uncomfortable. For them, CosyIsland is the place. I really don't remember last when I was wearing heels before I discovered CosyIsland, because heels were never comfortable for me, and because of not wearing for a long time, I was getting more uncomfortable wearing heels. But CosyIsland definitely bring back my confidence. Last time I got a winter boot, at the same time I got a pointed toe pump, and I showed you that with a little bit of heels, and I was so comfortable wearing those. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below and also here on the top so you can watch that video. But today I have spring heels. I'm so excited.
CosyIsland provides seamless shopping experience. They provide free shipping, easy return, secure payment, and great customer service. First, I saw one of their ads on Instagram and I was so curious to try this out, and honestly, they are so good. I love how the brand maintains sustainability and their designs are there for every kind of outfit. They are just perfect for every day. They are perfect for office attire, date night outfit, casual outfit, all sorts. These bow-knot grace pointed toe heeled slingbacks are perfect for summer, and the color I choose I think just perfect for spring summer time with all different outfits. These shoes already have cushioning inside, but they provide extra for better comfort. Now moving on to the next exciting shoe. You guys know I cannot pass a sparkling shoe, and this time I got the perfect sparkles. These are their diamond pointed toe heeled pumps, the most popular one for the season. The sparkle is unreal in this heel, and without any filter, nothing. You see how beautifully they are shining. The sparkle is like I cannot take my eyes off. The most important feature is their stable heel for both of these heels.
These pairs of heels are actually making me so excited. First of all, the color and also the design. This brand is actually sustainable. Their packaging, their shoes, in all way they are sustainable. They think about environment friendly, which is absolutely amazing, and their products are really long lasting. So these are the perfect hot pink spring summer heels. Look so pretty, exactly like Barbie vibe. I love it so much. This pop of color is just perfect with your all neutral outfit. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And look at the heel here. Portion is actually made in a way that it helps to balance, and so that even if it's quite high, you don't really go off balance or don't feel any pain anywhere. It is so comfortable.
These bow-knot details make the heels very trendy and unique. Restable square heel and breathable soft fabric material. Has arch support, slip resistance, and very easy to style.
And if you see, it is very stretchy, like it has this stretchy part here, which actually helps if you have bunion foot or if you have any problem like this area you have wide, then this actually helps you to securely place your foot and no hurting at all. And also this rubbery area, this area is rubbery, which actually helps to grip really well. This is pointy, but at the same time it is very comfortable, very soft and stretchy material. Actually helps if you have wider feet or you have bunion feet. So this is really helpful. You don't compromise the style. You have the comfort, but you're not compromising any of your style. Really love the small details. The little bow here is absolutely stunning. I really like how the bow actually looks. I am looking really good just because this pop of color can change everything. You can wear something really as simple like this, but still you look put together and you can go anywhere, like evening outing or anything fancy, anywhere fancy, just putting on these heels. And all black outfit, still it looks like it is spring just because of these heels. The shoes that I have from the past still doing great. They look so new after wearing so much. They still look just great, and you can actually find all the fancy designs, which I love. Right now I'm going to show you my next dreamy pumps. So these actually are my dreamy pumps. I cannot believe I own them. They look like made of diamonds. Look, it's just giving me the Cinderella vibe. It is so beautiful. It is like just like diamonds all over, and it also has the rubber grip and the pointed, plus it is also like, it also expands. It's like comfortable. It's just like a glove fit to your feet, which is just great. And I love the cushioning inside. Like, it's not hard. If you feel, it has cushions, which makes the heels actually really comfortable. So they also provide with this pad, which you can actually put inside your shoes and make them even more comfortable. Let me do that. So yeah, in this way, when you put it inside, in this way, you can actually make it more cushion and will not hurt at all. The good things about CosyIsland is their shoes, even their heels, how big their heels are, but still you feel very comfortable. They almost feels like wearing like your sneakers, and their flats, I don't want to talk about those because they are like walking in the clouds, so comfortable. But heels, which could be very uncomfortable. For example, this amount of heel I would never wear. I will never have that courage to wear this because in few minutes my feet would hurt. But this one, no, they don't hurt. So now again, I'm wearing my absolutely gorgeous diamonds, and I feel like they look so stunning. You see, they are like absolutely beautiful. The heels, it really doesn't feel like I'm wearing any heel here. Feels absolutely comfortable. I just cannot believe that I'm wearing heels.
These are the diamond pointed toe-heeled pumps. Truly eye-catching style. Their heels are stable, so it really helps to walk comfortably, and their ergonomic and comfortable arch support is everything that you need. These shoes are slip resistant because they have this textured rubber sole, which is very much important. These shoes are actually moderately priced, but they actually provide you high cost performance, which is just amazing. These good grips are really important, especially when we go to the parties. There could be wooden floor, there could be marble floor, and no matter what the floor is, how the floor is, you can still walk like confidently because you have this really good rubber sole which has a good grip. These rhinestone accents are actually perfect for weddings, galas, or just any time when you feel like shining.
Honestly, I'm so obsessed with CosyIsland spring collection. It is so hard to choose just one heel or one pump, or I don't know what to choose. Everything looks so beautiful, but I knew I wanted to add some color in my monochromatic outfits or any denim outfits, so I grabbed this hot pink, and also I wanted some sparkle in my shoe collection, so I just got perfectly what I needed. Now with CosyIsland shoes, you can actually elevate your outfit just like that in any moment. If you're wearing a boring outfit, anything really monochromatic or anything really, you can just elevate, just add some pop of color. Everything will be changed in a blink of eye. So I love this brand so much, and their new color collection is absolutely amazing. I love the fact that how they think about recycling and how they're thoughtful about the environment. So they're just doing everything that a brand possibly could do. Now with CosyIsland, you don't have to compromise your comfort or style or whatever you need. You have everything here. So it's a whole complete package for those who were really picky for your shoes, for comfort and style and sustainability. You don't have to compromise anywhere. I have some more shoes in my wish list from CosyIsland. Definitely I will be grabbing those as well. Let me know in the comment section below which shoe from today you would love to collect in your collection. Comment down below how did you find my today's unboxing, if you love them or if you're going to collect anything from CosyIsland. I have a coupon code for you guys, so it will be in the description box below, and I'll be also adding that in the screen here, so you can go through my link and use the coupon code to save some when you shop. This video ends here today. I hope you really enjoyed these glamorous heels today, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.